In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pinterest post on Visme. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing a tip, or showcasing a mood board, Pinterest thrives on visuals that are clear, attractive, and on-brand. Visme makes this surprisingly straightforward, so let's walk through it together from start to finish. Begin by searching for Pinterest post inside Visme. Look for the search bar at the top of the Templates page and type Pinterest post. This pulls up layouts designed specifically for the platform's vertical format, so you won't need to worry about resizing or awkward cropping later. Take a moment to scan the options. You can hover to preview and quickly spot designs that match your aesthetic: minimal, bold, colorful, or elegant. Next, select the template you want. Choose one that complements your message and audience. If your goal is to highlight a single product or headline, a clean layout with a strong focal point is ideal. If you're sharing multiple tips or a checklist, a design with clear sections will read better on mobile. Pick a template that feels close to your brand, so the customization step is quick and seamless. Now, edit the text, images, and colors to match your brand. Click on any text box to update the headline and supporting copy. Keep headlines short and impactful. Pinterest users skim, so aim for crisp phrases with strong verbs. Choose fonts that reflect your brand voice and limit yourself to 2 or 3 styles for a polished look. For colors, swap the palette to your brand hues. High contrast helps with readability, especially over photos. If your template includes an image, replace it with one that fits your message. Make sure the subject is centered and uncluttered. Busy backgrounds can make text harder to read. Use alignment tools to keep everything neat and consistent. To elevate your design, add icons, graphics, or photos from the Assets panel. Open the panel, search with specific keywords, and choose visuals that support your message without overwhelming it. Icons should be simple and consistent in style. Many can be recolored to match your palette. For photos, pick high-resolution images with strong composition and enough negative space for text. Layer elements thoughtfully. Use shapes or subtle overlays behind text to boost contrast, and adjust opacity if needed. Keep white space in mind so the design feels spacious and easy on the eyes. That's it.